Hey everyone, welcome back to Freemind Journal. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that most people completely overlook, and it's sabotaging your manifestation potential every single night. What if I told you that the 8 hours you spend sleeping aren't just for rest, but are actually your most powerful manifestation window, and you've probably been wasting them? Seriously, while you're peacefully unconscious, your subconscious mind is working overtime, processing over 20,000 thoughts. Your brain isn't just snoozing, it's consolidating memories, rewiring neural pathways, and quite literally deciding what version of reality you'll wake up to. Now, here's the kicker. If you go to sleep stressed, anxious, or fearful, your subconscious spends those 8 hours programming those negative patterns even deeper into your nervous system. You're manifesting your fears instead of your desires every single night. But what if you could reverse that? What if sleep became your most powerful reprogramming tool? That's exactly what we're talking about today. At Freemind Journal, we stop asking and start creating. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to manifest while your conscious mind is completely offline. Most people have it completely backwards when it comes to sleep and manifestation. Let us talk about the last 30 to 60 minutes before you fall asleep. This is called the hypnagogic state. It's that magical transition between wakefulness and sleep. During this window, your conscious mind, your inner critic, your analytical brain, it all powers down. But here's the secret. Your subconscious is wide awake and recording everything. Whatever you expose yourself to during this critical time gets downloaded directly into your subconscious without any filters, without any resistance. Think about it. Are you scrolling Instagram? Your subconscious absorbs comparison and a sense of lack. Watching the news, fear and scarcity get hardwired in. Replaying old arguments in your head, you're reinforcing stress patterns. Then you sleep for 8 hours while your brain processes and consolidates all those negative patterns. Your neural pathways reinforce them. Your Reticular Activating System, or RAS, updates based on fear, not possibility. And what happens? You wake up with that low-grade anxiety, that heaviness, that subtle dread before your day even begins. This, my friends, is the sleep anxiety loop, and it's absolutely destroying your manifestation potential. But here's the good news, the truly exciting part. You can hack this process. You can use this exact same hypnagogic window to program your subconscious with what you actually want. And it gets even better when you understand what's happening in your brain during sleep. Your sleep happens in roughly 90 Minucci cycles, each with 4 stages. Light sleep, deeper sleep, deep sleep with those powerful delta waves, and then REM sleep. During deep sleep, your brain actually releases incredible neurochemicals like BDNF that literally rewire your neural pathways. This is neuroplasticity. In action, your brain is physically changing its structure. Then, during REM sleep, your subconscious processes emotions and integrates new beliefs directly into your identity. Here is the absolute key. Your subconscious doesn't undistinguish between a real-life experience and a vividly imagined experience. We talked about this with the RAS in our last video. But during sleep, this effect amplifies tenfold. Why? Because your prefrontal cortex, that loud inner critic that always says that it's not realistic or you can't do that, is completely offline, new resistance. Your subconscious just absorbs and integrates. So, when you program your subconscious before sleep with the identity and the feelings you want to manifest, your brain spends the entire night wiring that into your nervous system. You're not just thinking about it, you're becoming it at a cellular level. This is the Freemind Sleep Manifestation Protocol. It's 5 powerful steps, and it only takes 20 to 30 minutes before bed. Let's get into it. Step 1. The digital sunset. This starts about 60 minutes before bed. All screens off. Your phone, laptop, TV, everything. I know, this can be hard, but every minute you spend scrolling is a minute you letting algorithms program your subconscious instead of you. And it's not just the blue light, it's the content, the constant comparison, the cortisol spikes, the chase for dopamine hits. Replace it with analog activities. Read a book, journal, stretch, have a genuine conversation. This signals to your brain, the day is over. We're entering the sacred window. Step 2, the evening purge. This is about 10 minutes before bed. Grab a journal and do a brain dump for 5 to 10 minutes. Everything, your worries, your to-dos, frustrations, random thoughts. This is cognitive off. Research actually shows that writing down your thoughts before bed reduces rumination by 60% and significantly improves sleep quality. After you've purged, write down 3 wins from your day. They don't have to be massive. Maybe a good conversation, a small progress on a project, or just showing up. This simple act shifts your nervous system from stress to gratitude and primes your ass to look for wins tomorrow, not problems. Step 3, the identity statement. You're in bed now. Lights dim or off. Body relax. Create one clear identity statement, present tense, as if it's already true. Something like, I am someone who is deeply valued in my field. Or I am someone who attracts abundance effortlessly. Or I am someone who trusts themselves completely. Say it out loud 3 times. Slowly, with conviction, and here's the crucial part. Don't just say it, feel it. Close your eyes and truly embody that version of you. How does that person breathe? How do they hold their body? What do they feel in their chest? This isn't just affirmation. This is identity installation. You're stepping into a version of you that already exists in potential and letting your subconscious integrate it as truth. Step 4, the sensory rehearsal. Now you're lying down, eyes closed, just drifting towards sleep. This is arguably the most powerful window. Pick one specific scene from your desired reality, not the whole journey, just one distinct moment. Maybe it's landing your dream client, or checking your bank account, and seeing that number you've been working toward, or waking up next to someone who loves you deeply. Engage all 5 senses. What do you see? Colors, faces, the environment. What do you hear? Voices, music, silence. What do you feel physically? Textures, temperature. What do you smell? Coffee, fresh air, anything relevant. What do you taste, even if it's subtle? And most importantly, what do you feel emotionally? Relief, pride, gratitude, peace. Let that feeling completely fill your body. Let it be the last thing you feel as you drift into sleep. Your subconscious will take that scene and spend 8 hours integrating it, wiring it, making it an undeniable part of your identity. Step 5, the morning integration. When you wake up, do not check your phone. Not for the first 5 to 10 minutes. You're still in a theta brainwave state. Your subconscious is still highly accessible. Instead, before you even open your eyes, recall the feeling from last night's scene. Say your identity statement out loud once more, and then set one intention for the day that aligns with that identity. This closes the loop. This integrates all of the night's powerful work into your waking reality. Let me quickly explain the powerful mechanisms behind this. First, hypnagogic programming. Your conscious filters are down, making your subconscious incredibly receptive. It's like self-hypnosis every single night. Second, memory consolidation. During deep sleep, your brain consolidates emotional memories. By vividly imagining your desired reality, you're essentially making it a memory to consolidate. Third, REM integration. Your brain integrates new information into your self-concept during REM sleep. You are literally rewiring your identity at its core. Fourth, neuroplasticity. Sleep neurochemicals like BDNF, dopamine, and serotonin physically change your brain structure, making these new patterns permanent. And finally, RAS reprogramming. You wake up embodying that new identity and your reticular activating system updates its filter for the day. You start noticing opportunities that perfectly align with who you became during sleep. This isn't mystical, folks. This is neuroscience applied intentionally. After just 1 week of consistently applying this protocol, you'll notice more clarity, significantly less morning anxiety, increased energy, and new insights flowing to you. After 1 month, your eyes will be significantly updated, your confidence will shift dramatically, your actions will align naturally with your desires, and external results will start reflecting these powerful internal shifts. I've used this protocol myself for 6 months now. Business opportunities have appeared out of nowhere. My relationships have deepened. My nervous system regulation has transformed. But most importantly, I stopped chasing something outside of me. I became the person who already has it. Your sleep is not passive. It is your most powerful reprogramming window. Tonight, try this protocol. All 5 steps. Just one night, then come back tomorrow and comment below with what you noticed. This community is how we grow together, by sharing our experiences and learning from each other. In our next video, I'm going to show you how to use your vagus nerve to regulate your nervous system in real time. Because remember, manifestation isn't just mindset, it's deep nervous system regulation. So hit subscribe, turn on that bell so you don't miss it, and definitely save this video so you can come back to it tonight. Let's stop asking. Let's start creating. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.